Have you ever tried to make a budget only to feel like you're constantly falling short? Well, you're not alone. In fact, about 90% of budgets fail within the first few months. But what if there was an easy way to fix this? What if I told you that many people overlook a simple, yet powerful budgeting strategy called the 50-30-20 rule? Let's break it down. The 50-30-20 rule says that you should spend no more than 50% of your income on necessities, like rent and groceries. Then allocate about 30% towards wants, like entertainment or shopping. And finally, save at least 20%, ideally for long-term goals like retirement or an emergency fund. But why do most budgets fail? Often, it's because people underestimate their expenses or overestimate how much they can save. Plus, life is full of unexpected expenses. Think of your budget like planning for a trip. You wouldn't plan a road trip without knowing where you're going and how much gas will cost, right? Budgeting is no different. Let's look at some real numbers. Say your monthly income is $3,000. Using 50-30-20, you'd spend about $1,500 on necessities, $900 on wants, and save $600. This simple method can transform your financial life. Imagine putting that $600 towards an emergency fund each month, or even investing it for long-term growth. Remember, while the 50-30-20 rule can be a great starting point, everyone's financial situation is unique. Always consider your specific needs and goals.